Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana rock buns, also called sweet bad. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So for the ingredients, I have here plain flour, sugar, lemon essence, some salt. I have here nutmeg, butter, baking powder, and milk powder. So I'll begin by adding 1 cup of water, and to it I'll add the salt, sugar, and the vanilla essence, and I'll mix them together. Next, in the large bowl, I'll add the flour, the baking soda, the milk powder, and I'll mix very well. And also the nutmeg. Next, I'll add in the butter, and I'll mix well. Next, I'll go ahead and gradually add the sugar mixture. So for this sweet bad rock buns, you don't need to add too much water, and also you don't want to overmix it. And I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. So this is the right texture we are looking for. So I've already heated my oil, and I'm going to fry it on a medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you have to be turning it to avoid burning. So it's very simple with few ingredients, and it's very, very delicious. So as you can see, I keep turning it, and at this point it's done. Very nice and golden brown. So I hope you try this snack, and please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this recipe. So I'll repeat the next until it's all done. And yes, our rock buns is done. It's looking delicious, it's smelling nice, and as you can see, the outside is very crunchy and the inside is very nice and soft. You can smell the lemon essence. So thank you all so much for watching, and if you have enjoyed this recipe, please kindly give me a thumbs up, like and share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.